Hello everyone, it's physics, and we will talk about lengths in today's lesson. So let's move on. It's me, Timur Malik Nuruddinov. It's my Telegram, it's my Instagram profile, and this one is my YouTube channel. And I will upload this video on YouTube, and all information about me is given here. By the way, while uploading this video on YouTube, I will put a link to this presentation on the comment section below. On the first comment, it would be pinned. So let's start with my personal perspective. To be honest, if you're preparing for your iGCSEs, you should really know how to use a ruler. And the syllabus doesn't tell you to know how to use a micrometer screw gauge, but I will explain it anyway, just in case. So let's start. Ruler. It's a ruler. You know, a ruler is a flat object. Usually it's rectangular. Look at this, it's rectangular with markings along one or more of its straight edges. Look at these markings. Two, three, four, five, six, and blah blah blah. These markings show us how long something is. It can be only used to measure other straight lines. If you want to measure something, hold the ruler against it, aligning the start of the edge of the object with the zero on the ruler and the read of the ruler how it is. And it should be perpendicular to the object. So how do we read using a ruler? I guess all of you know how to read, but I will explain it. But I won't explain it here. I will explain on the next slides. I I will shoot a video and put it there. So let's move on. Volume. How do we calculate the volume uh of shapes? For example, the cone or or the cylinder or the pyramid. Actually, while calculating the volume of the pyramid and the cone, we are multiplying base area by its height and we are dividing it by 3 because if you put 3 of them it would be a cylinder or a square if it's pyramid. And a measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of a fluid or volume of the irregular shapes. How do we calculate the volume of irregular shapes? We are calculating it like that. We are putting water on the cylinder, on the measuring cylinder, and we are putting our irregular shape here, and we will read the difference between, we will record both readings, and we will find the difference, and that difference is your volume the of the irregular shape. And how do we read the measuring cylinder? We are reading from lower meniscus. We call it meniscus here. Not the top one. We are reading from the lower one. The lower meniscus is the lowest part of that surface. Look at this. For example, this image shows that it's 48. So the reading should be 48 milliliter. So we will talk about micrometer screw gauge. This is a micrometer. You don't. It's okay if you say micrometer. Uh, it's anvil. We call it anvil and spindle, circular scale and main scale and with sleeve, thimble, ratchet, and U frame. We call it U frame because it looks like a U. So This device essentially measures the distance between the anvil and spindle. Between anvil and spindle. So you place an object between two and adjust the position of the spindle by turning the thimble. We will put it and we will rotate the thimble, and if it's so near, if there is less space, we will rotate this ratchet and it will sound like and we can easily read the what do you call measurements here using main scale and circular scale. I wrote how to read these readings, but I won't read it now for you. I will explain it. So this is micrometer screw gauge. First of all, in order to overcome zero error, we should make it zero and tighten it. After that, do like that. Yes. Then it's zero and there is no distance. In order to measure the object, we should open it. Let's measure the what do you call it? The width of this vernier caliper. We'll rotate it until there is small distance. After there is small distance, we will rotate it by there till it clicks. It clicked, and we should tighten it, and we can remove the object. In order to read, as you can see, it's zero, and we will count it from bottom to top. 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, and 3 plus 10, probably 10, 11. It's 11. And we will add the results as I explained in PPT. If you didn't understand, you can access the PPT and read it by yourself. So this is vernier caliper. It also has a main scale and vernier scale. Usually vernier scale caliper measures three kind of things. First one, inner diameter and outer diameter and the depths. By the way, vernier caliper and micrometer measures small distances. The reading on this is the smallest reading on micrometer is 0.01 millimeter, and in vernier caliper it's 0.1, or usually it's 0.2 millimeters. So how do we read? I will explain it in video. As I said, I will shoot a video and I will explain and I will put it here, and you can access it easily and you will understand it. So this is vernier caliper. We should overcome the zero error, but in most cases it won't have zero error, unlike micrometer. Let's measure the width of this thing, of this object. Let's measure it this way. After you put the object, you should tighten it. It's tight and we can remove the object. Let's now read the reading. The most suitable line for the zero is 2.25 and 26, 27, yes, 27. And after zero, the most suitable line, the most vertical one is, let's find it. It's hard to find it's 1.8. So 27 plus 1.8, no, sorry, it's 28 point 28 plus 1 27 plus 1.8, and it gives you 28.8. Thank you. If you don't understand, you can read these parts. I explained well. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow and like the video, comment and share this video.